Welcome to Crewe. Today we have a Seat Leon Cupra 280 PS model, finished in midnight black. Stunning looking car with LED headlamps and front parking sensors. "19" 5-spoke diamond cut alloy wheels. Integrated LED indicator in the mirror housing. This 5-door model also comes with privacy glass. Twin exit exhaust with rear parking sensors as well. Seat badge doubles as the boot handle. Ample loading space in the back with access to rear 60/40 split folding rear seats. Black interior, part leather with white accents on the seats. Electrically heated folding mirrors. This vehicle also has the Seat sound pack. Automatic lights. Leather multifunction steering wheel with the white stitching. Cruise control. As you can see, the vehicle's covered just under 20,000 miles. Features DAB radio, Bluetooth streaming, hands-free calls, navigation, and full link facility. There's also dual climate control with USB and a 3.5mm auxiliary. Storage in the centre with a 12-volt power source and an armrest with extra storage underneath. If you'd like any further details on this particular car, please contact Crewe on 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.